OPTASE HYLO FORTE eye drops provides extra moisture and protection for the eyes and helps prevent further irritation. How to use OPTASE HYLO FORTE. Our innovative HYLO Delivery System offers a preservative-free multi-dose drop bottle that's simple to use. Just one click, one drop. Wash your hands thoroughly before handling the drop bottle. Check the packaging. Do not use if the protective seal or carton is damaged. Prime the bottle. Remove the overcap and invert the bottle so the tip points downward. Place 2 fingers at the base and your thumb on the shoulder. Press and release firmly a few times until the first drop appears. Once the first drop is released, the bottle is primed. Prepare your eye. Tilt your head back slightly. Gently pull down the lower eyelid to create a small pocket. Administer 1 drop. Press the base of the bottle quickly with your 2 fingers and firmly press down to activate the pump until the dose is dispensed. 1 click, 1 drop. A soft or incomplete action may lead to the drop not fully dispensing. Ensure the tip does not touch your eye or skin. 1 calibrated drop will be released into the eye. Repeat for the other eye if needed. Close your eye slowly to allow the fluid to spread evenly across the surface. Secure the bottle. Make sure the tip is dry. Replace the overcap. Storage and shelf life. Each bottle contains approximately 300 drops. Once opened, the bottle remains sterile and usable for up to 6 months. Learn more about OPTASE HYLO FORTE on OPTASE.com.